Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of I.K.P Paintworks here in Peoria, Arizona. As you can see over here, we finally got Tim's truck in. This thing's gonna be absolutely incredible. We are definitely pumped to see this thing come together. Love the front end, love the back end of this truck. Lots of really cool details. Lots of stuff we're gonna get done on this truck once we get going. Can't wait to show you guys the progress on that. Over here, we got Jason's K5 Blazer. As you can see, we've got it masked up and ready for sand and buff. Taylor killed it today. We've got everything else on the truck that need to get stripped off the truck, removed, and over here in the buff stall for wet sand and buff. Lots going on. Definitely gonna be a busy week, especially with the holiday coming up soon, and not to mention our Christmas getaway, which is this coming up weekend. Hopefully we can remember to bring the camera this time and show you guys the fun we're gonna have up north in the snow. But anyway, welcome back to another episode. Let's get this video rolling. So what Victor's doing right now, he's addressing this line back here, making sure he gets this crispened up along here, which is actually a lot of work to make this line look straight all the way around because it was really inconsistent and uneven. It was so bad we were contemplating on making a piece of trim to hide it, but he was actually able to straighten it out and make it look really good and give us a nice breaking point all the way around this bottom edge where we can mask it for bed liner. But our plan will be to mask this off and shoot the intersection color match bed liner to match the outside paint, but give him an area for a oopsie or whatnot, or just an area where he can lean on it and not be so worried about chipping the paint. Now he's moved on to the gaps, trying to get this dialed in over here so that he can open and close the door once it's all bodywork and painted without it hitting. Like I mentioned in the last video, these doors don't come off, they're put in place where they're gonna be. So we just gotta adjust them a little bit to try to make a little bit more clearance so that they don't hit, like I said, when the doors open after paint. So what Dylan is doing right now is he has made himself a pattern. See if I can bring this camera down a little bit. He's made himself a pattern for this section right here. He'll glass it first, so it's nice and rigid. Then he'll bring it over here, and then he'll glass it in place into this big hole, this rotted out area on this top for Carlos. All right, got my dually back from Steve at Elevated Design. All the interior, all together, stereo, all hooked up and working. Paint wiped down, tires and wheels shined up. We're ready to go for a cruise. In fact, we're gonna make that happen tonight. But before I do that, I wanted to give you guys a quick walk around of the truck, let you check out how it came out, and we'll be on to the next job. Alrighty, we got another one here in the booth. This is Brandon's Suburban. We did this for him several years ago. Really nice, clean, frame off restoration, driver quality, paint and body, super nice, super clean. One of my personal favorites. Awesome dude, awesome story behind the truck. This is the second one we've done for him. He decided to finally let this one go. And in the process of transporting it out to California from his house, he got a little boo-boo on the trailer here. So we're gonna take care of that. And since we gotta pull the rear bumper off to do that, we're gonna fix some of the scratches on the bottom of the bumper where the bottom of the bumper had smacked the ground or a curb or whatever it did. We're gonna fix that, get this thing put back together, cleaned up, and get it sent back to Brandon so he can get it off to the new owner. Before we let this one go, we'll do a walk around, show you guys the inside that was done by Steve at Elevated Design. Lay it out and show you the suspension, how it sits on the ground. That was all built by Tray 5 next door. Got an LS engine in it, super clean, super nice truck, like I said. But yeah, we're gonna get going on this one and get it finished up for him.
So that side I already have loose. So if you want to hold it, and it's gonna drop. And then I'll do this side.
Okay, one lip in the middle, or that's fine?
Yeah, if you want to try to, as long as you can still hold that side. Because see how it's really close to the corners? I don't want it to hit. And now, it looks like we just slide it straight back.
Okay.
So I got it if you want to get that side. Right? Yep. Oh, peaches and cake. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. We have a Gen 1 Blazer top that has some cracks in the fiberglass. I'm going to V out all the cracks, do some fiberglass repair, and make it brand new again. I've already done a lot of work to the rear hatch that's inside. I'm going to work on this now, and I'm in what I call the Shrek shop. And if anyone's seen the greatest cinema of all time, Shrek, he yells at Donkey, he says, outside! So I call working outside the Shrek shop. It's a nice day out, and I'm gonna make a bunch of dust, so might as well do it outside.
Okay, that's gonna do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We really appreciate you guys watching. I feel like we got a lot accomplished in a little bit of time. We're getting ready to head up north. It's gonna be a lot of fun for us that are going. I know Victor's not going. We'll definitely miss him there. But the rest of us and our wives will be heading up north to Snow Bowl to do a little snowboarding, a little playing in the snow. Someone may come back with a cast. Who knows? Probably be me, but definitely looking forward to doing that. I have never snowboarded before. I haven't even been in the snow in over 15 years. So I am ready to be bundled up and have some fun, get away from here with the guys and get to know their families a little bit better. And like I said, have a good time. So thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully we will all see you guys next week with some updates on Legendary Welding's Steven Vasquez's 6400, Manny's K5 Blazer, Carlos's K5 Blazer. Let's see what else we got. We got Jason's K5 Blazer update. We've got Tim's C10 that will be starting here very shortly. My dually is out of here. And Brandon's Suburban, we should be painting next week and getting that thing finalized and out of here as well. Plus a whole lot more going on, like always. So we'll see you then.